was the automatic sanitary pad dispensing machine. Now let's see its components. This was the multi-coin acceptor. This can recognize coins up to 6 different types. And this was the motherboard. The whole program is installed in this motherboard. This was a microcontroller. And this was the LCD display, which displays the number of units in it, which means the stock available in it, and also the payment. And these are two vending machine motors for a precise movement of the pad. Now let's see it's working. Now this multi-coin acceptor allows only recognized coins. Now this multi-coin, by using this machine, we can collect the sanitary pads. The coins which are accepted in this machine are 1, 5, 10 rupees and 20 rupees coins. See, when it comes to this was 2 rupees coin, this was not recognized by the coin acceptor. When we place unrecognized coins or coin type materials in it, it will reject, and which we can collect at the bottom of the coin acceptor. Only the accepted coins, just like this 5 rupees. The cost of a single pad is 5 rupees. Now if you place a coin in it, see, the angle also should be important. We need to keep the coin here and press it. After that, the pad will be dispensed. This was the dispensed pad. Now let's see it's working. After placing a coin in it, we need to push it a bit harder. After that, the motors will rotate. See,